have a million of these scrub tops that are not being used. This one's clean, I promised. But we're going to use this one. All right, so we're just gonna cut two 1-inch strips here. I think she cut off the bottom for some reason, so let me try to do that first. These scissors are terrible. So I tore a lot of this, but let's cut off the ends here. My scissors are terrible, so this is just the end piece that we're supposed to cut off. Then I'm supposed to make two more 1-inch strips off the bottom here. This is really hard to keep straight. All right. This will probably be so much easier with fabric scissors, and this scrub material is just not good. You can see how frayed it is. That's all I got. I recently just cleaned out my entire closet and took all of the t-shirts that I don't wear and took them to the donation center. So I don't really have any old t-shirts right now, so the old scrub shirt is gonna have to do. Let's see what's next. So let's try, let me cut this first. All right, so I think these are our two ear hole loops. Let's put these off to the side. All right, now we have to measure, I think she said 17 inches, which is pretty wide. Oh, this way. 17 inches this way. So let me see if I can. When she said 8 inches, it looked like it was way less than that, or way more than that, but I guess not. Technically 8 inches is right here. Does that look like the same amount? I don't know, let's do it anyways. All right, so cut this part. I think it's supposed to make 2 masks, and you can actually make more. I would do it out of this little pocket. Maybe you can have a little pocket on the front of your mask. That would be so stupid. But anyways, so I guess I can discard this part now. And then she turned it flat. I have such rough edges here. Don't judge. So mine's like way over here. So I guess I have a wider, I guess these scrub tops are way wider. I'm not sure, let's see. So she said this is supposed to make 2 masks, but I actually prefer that it be kind of double-sided, right? Because I'd rather it be thicker than thin, and this is pretty thin material to begin with. So this is probably gonna work. Let me switch up my setup here. Her nice t-shirt is way better for this because it actually stretches. These scrub tops are pretty unforgiving. All right, so we measure 4 inches from the side here, something like this. Alright, so let me fold this over here. Oh, it's starting to look like a mask. Although my poor ear loop holes are not looking too good.
That just on the rim of my nose, put this on top of my head, and take the strings that are dangling down at the bottom and just pull.
Alright, so this is the top right here, and I have a big head, so I don't know how the heck I'm going to get this over my head. I know what I'm going to do here. This is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to fold down this top part right here, put my straps back on. That way I'm not choking on the strings. And then she puts it on her head. How does she put it on her head?
So take the mouse, place that just on the rim of my nose, put this on top of my head, and take the strings that are dangling down at the bottom.
I guess you don't worry about it coming undone. Alright, so I folded this over. Hopefully this will work a little bit better. So then you put it on your nose. You have to put your mask on. Put it over your head. I'm gonna take this one, pull it. This one, pull. basically keep adjusting until you, let me see here. Oh yeah, look at that. You keep adjusting until you have it wrapped underneath your chin, and then you can tie it into that. It's actually not bad. I can actually breathe pretty good in this thing. So I think the sides have seen better days, and it may be a little rough around the edges, but it actually does a pretty good job. And I kind of like that I kind of double-sided it, or used 2 sheets or 2 pieces of fabric on this. And I hope you all can hear me right now, because my voice is super muffled, but it actually does a pretty good job. It's pretty good. I mean, it's free. You can order these online as well, I've noticed, but you can make your own in 2 seconds like I did, or maybe it took me like 10 minutes. But either way, I luckily have a few of these from many years ago. We get one every year when we do our N95 fit testing. So, but I will say, if I'm just running to the store or something, this is perfect.